say wosro sonsono enti ade ba kwa helicopter di kwa de empatie helicopter di diga na wuo kum ya de hia abrempan wo twe bone ban
okranka nwi
enti say helicopter kwa de tise ye ti helicopter di na entam kase yen kwatenkwate a enansu bio ya helicopter asa kwate ahwe ye wotama
DNSC
ode ye airport aduru ho
oh
August na hiabo ewo ho August mema akwaba aso nyina biabia yetie o
so amedase eba Tema committee 1 so na ewo me say na ewiye wo wa na yeti say helicopter bi eti ahwe Tema ahasi ofa na so na ewo me say enye helicopter chopper sa plane kitwa na efa nipa mienu pe no eyono na etihwe na according to information na yebenya war grounds ni say 12:59 na gofo hu say sa chopper no onya fort ewiem na o twa ne hu sa nti school na otihwe mu Tema school no mo deke Tema deke school mo na atihwe ofa bebia sa eyinu chopper na atihwe ani bebia school no no na chipra ati school half nti ana wiemu sa no teacher fo no huntem na omo yi nkwane nya edi school dan no mo school dan nya edan kata mo pata o ma boss a deke omo first school deke nti ahwe form sa no ofa nipa mienu na ewo board nanso ahwe form a eja to mo no sa nipa mienu nya ye nyamedia nti eno na yebedu ha no ya hu se a police for anadumofo asojafo egu ha bebre a omo hwe se omo di nyama betutu se na be ya obia entimi omo ye nhwemu to obia emfa ne nsa enka pads bia odi bekwa akoto as scrap nti minu ka se dia ofa ye dasu ewo Tema daycare school no ma any police for any nadumo any fire service police for any asojafo nya egu ha nti board ne dia omo di akọ observation autopsy no ma hu ni esi airport nti omo twen ahwe se aviation for bawa be yenhwe no ma hu bebia sa chopper efi anase bebia oko na omo di aye omo report amaye nti of obisa me dia ni esi Tema committee 1 daycare school Tema enni
na chese August ye sanka ya dia na school fo nkwada no yenyi omu firi ho na bia komo edi agro wo school na chi ba bi dia enka edi bone
anka edi bone ebetu Ghana bio ma fi se na omo ye nkwara totofiwa na omo nti omo friend daycare no nti ofa ni esi wa ha de na anu onyan nanso nyami abem nti school for bia hu antimi anka mom nipa mi na ewo board na sa chopper no ni registration number 9G-ADV 9G-ADV na ebe hwe forma eja atom
we die enya Ghana Air Force dia enya Ghana military for ewiem sen private
ya hwe tani asoja fo egu ha no fa nya ditu ya hwe tani ankofo egu ha soja fo dos no ya nim se ebeye omo dia na se enya omo dia nanso ofa ye ne mu no na nkofo dos ta hu se nkofo bi mu kasa e wase a mpanyifo ba no na omo kasa se adia eye parking for 3 over 3 years then tro mu 2 years and na won for information ye pick your grounds enti ya di aso to for ne ahwe de bia efie nenti amutu ye nyoma omodi ba be ye ansa na etimi hwie no ofa yeso ye di e wo fom ye di aso to for hwe ni ebesi ye
yo ya da se wo fom ampa bodies no ya na ewo ho no na emse ba kuno ya nhye de nsua de amfiri papa ndebusafo de mamo no eye Tema community 1 site 17 ene wiemsen no ekotehwe ya kum nipa mienu na sojafo ababego
ofa wo mu di nso na ebuso ma mu so bikuta rubber blue
ya wo mato wo mu wan hwe na obi amfa dabri asem furofuru wa mu ha ba kra mu obi amfa nkofi ayesa ebesa evidence yanko anymore.
What fancy and Yantian?
But other be when Ghana.
Hey, Nanny and ya, you sway. Hey.
Ya kana ba August ya report anda so wase ho enti approach phone asoja phone akoko de besi bia no besa agya brɛ ya yanko anymore.
Ya kuya ni mo dia na chese ma me nko ma mpani John Dramani Mahama ho ababe to dwa se wo mo ede eyem from agya gas bi no beye
amintwa no eye witness bi
okay
ebubu fast on de wo hunu ansa na ebe crash abeto ai but na yenti on ne de animal sisi ha
Obepi. Yes. Na muta so aden. Nti hona na bed na wele ni mu na agina. Nti e bata ona mu se asa biu. Na be say e dani say just fuck na agina ya na opoto be duye. E duye no na 60k. Tiga saba no on fa no ko bo. Te bo na me ni tiki. Agina ho.
Sasa upo ni amukasa upo.
America is aden. Ma do ya de pa o. Sasa na bed ni na bed na dum. Na ikiki o. Na dum edu eba down na sasa ki. No top e sanda say. Well, you know the whole thing say omudusu indi problem.
Ma o kasa no wan ka hwe.
Some also be sign. You know, as far as we say on trust. So, Emma too. Tama na edumia no ene na ogina I say pastor kakra espake no o sa class wow that o ta si bi na I said you so edumia na e na ha ya o na fo ya o class e tu class e ti tele pen tu na me o tu sa to be hu emema na sema mu emema mema di be fi be sen.
So we saw Mono there, obey to say 30 something, the number 20. So also our body, the nipper there, I just see I want to move normal, but also in the body there, I to say 30 go it.
It's Mumu Yana playing a top from that.
A top from I started to say better from Mumu and a buyer, a bus people, a better from whom now at once and soldier. Here, soldier, before I say, we would have the general, they always say, I had to say people. The general film salad there, more there into baby no musu, one person into other pictures for no baby, or be a person into a picture. And he must say, Nicholas into a picture. Young one, young Kuna, that my bow, answer. But we don't know what you see. I will be more problem because I know more, no more party.
Commission, your friend, when I'm Ahmed Abdullah, was a party lateral, baby, a NC and a area. Me were commander, police commander. Commander forcing the office. And then you call. Said the Biasi, it was site 18 because a higher site 18. And see, you were once in a corner by say, yeah, she tied. Into a honor yantiasi, and I say, and the mayan too. And I'm on name and MSF. And I'm a friend, my colleague, Gosway. Then I'm an enemy and I buy. You buy and you don't say, the Omokan is different altogether. A helicopter, and I said, then poor. Never told her. And nipa na owom na ahye te se nti de ebetu ye no de obohu ye no so esa pepepepe bi nsi watermanpo da e bi nsi ye kura poda kura no krampo ye adwuma wo school we mu ohu a obehwe se iron rods ededa ho ye si school no foforo ade ama wo mo ya start engineers no po around omo ye adwuma ena we ni si ye no but I hope say by the close of the day no
I witnesses one more some no esi omanim na omo akachire engine news no na make us say was for ya ohwe oman bambo so Dr. Ato Forsen on the hwe chire to say bambo eso afa say defense minister na ya yeso de ensem bi etudwa afa de asie hunti
omo nchire ye mu na we de eden
omo nchire nti ye passe ye hwe na eno so ye de omanfo ekọ na ye kotie bi sanya wadin chiremu no ma no ayo owura burujaja mfi ha deputy acting one no won necessary no pass wadin nsem atu adwante se ya ready a mom yenko ho na yenkoti asem kra defense ministry no enso ka dia fa ho.
Minister, good afternoon. I had to rush here briefly to come and find out if you were fine. heard about an helicopter crash, and I thought of finding out from you. Have you heard about the story? What is happening now?
Yes, I got the information of helicopter crash somewhere around Tema, Community 1. So I checked with the Ghana Air Force, and yes, it was confirmed that there's a helicopter crash, but it doesn't belong to the Ghana Air Force fleet. It doesn't belong to the Ministry of Ghana Armed Forces. It's rather, I think it's an association that uses our airstrip in Afienya. So it's a microlight helicopter that takes only, I believe, 2 persons. And so we got the information that it was fatal. All the 2 did not survive. But it is not one of our fleet. Yes, so I can give you that confirmation that it doesn't. But we have detailed some of our officers to go and look at it. So they'll be there to give us, report on that. We have to know the identities of the persons involved. And so we are making effort to reach the owner of that aircraft to see who were on board. Yeah.
Okay, sir, thank you.
Thank you too.
Enti we say owura broja Jamfi ya wono wo hwe kire ewo bambo asue no mu wo chase wate na wafra asojafo no amomo chase enya Ghana army anase Ghana military Ghana forces for wo mo ni bia na ankra de bi na chese esiye na obi abana manese nipa mienu na hwem se de reporter na kano na yenkwa ahoma no so na yene owura Ebenezer Ayensu okasa edema Ghana National Fire Service na eben yada se memo akwa badba angel no susu ai
ayo so me kwajo
yada se na monso fire for musi etre no na yenim sa si enchede but ebia initial investigation kakra maye wadal mafabo aye ni
yo mema wone wetie fo no wahwefo nyina wa abafin tafiri no susu adwo na me bonitewa ewia we yin mu na yenya ne tie se eye ejebi atonti ne ye bae na se